All right, so step one here, is there a greatest common factor to divide out? 4, 5, and 6? No, there's not. All right, so we can jump straight into it. I'm going to try I like trying the 2x and the 2x, or at least seeing if I can. The reason I like that is because the order doesn't matter. Like when you try the 1 and a 6 or the 6 and a 1, the order doesn't matter. All right, but because you have to place a 6 somewhere, and 2 and 6 have a common factor, you can't do it. All right. The same goes for like if you try a 2 and a 3 somewhere, you can't do it. So this problem, you cannot have a 2x and a 2x because you're going to wind up with that shared factor problem no matter which way you cut it. All right, so instead of a 2x and a 2x, we're going to have to try 4x and a regular x. Let's see here. I can either do a 3 here and a 2 here, or I can't switch them because of the shared factor, or it could be a 1 here and a 6 here. All right, I just have to check these out and see if I can get a 5 somehow. And it looks like my first option is going to work. All right, so 4x and a 2, that would give me an 8x. And then a 3 and an x, that would give me a 3x. And since these are different signs, yeah, I am going to be able to get a 5x in the middle there. All right, so I'm just going to try one of the combinations here. If I do a minus here and a plus here, let's see how this works out. All right, so 4x and positive 2 would give me a positive 8x. And then a negative 3 and an x would give me a negative 3x. But this is going to give me positive 5x, and I wanted negative 5x. All right, so I just got to change my signs around here. So change that plus sign to a minus, and change this minus to a plus. Okay? And then, of course, you could double check it, but this is going to be it. All right, so my answers. So x minus 2 is a factor. So that means 2 is one of my solutions. And then for the 4x plus 3, I'm going to set that equal to 0 and solve. Move my 3 over. Okay. And then divide by 4. So I get negative 3/4. And that's it. Hopefully this is going to get you set for the harder trig equations tomorrow.